Hello, I wanted a microphone for my GoPro, so I bought it. I saw this on Amazon, and I thought I'd give it a try. It was like $40, a little bit, about half the price of a Rode microphone. So I ordered it, and it came in, and it looks pretty nice. I had to wait to get a microphone adapter so I could use it on my GoPro, and that just came in today. But here's his little mic. It comes with some instructions on how to use it. It comes with two cables. One, the gray one, if you use a smartphone, and then the black on both ends is for you're hooking up to like a camcorder or a camera, which is what I'll be using it for. And it comes with a little foam wind blocker on it, and it also comes with a dead cat. It's a pretty substantial dead cat too. So if you take it off, there is the microphone itself, and it's got a little mount here. It's kind of a hard plastic, but it's two of them. We'll see how that works. And here's with the dead cat on it. So that's set up there, and then that'll go on my GoPro here. I bought a mount and all that stuff. So we'll be doing that. And I'll make a video just to see how it sounds, so we can hear what the quality of the recording is. I don't know how that'll sound yet, but I suppose it's okay. I'm hoping it's got to be better than the factory microphones of the GoPro, because they work, but they're not really good. So I'll put this together, make an audio, and I'll tack it onto the end of this video. So stand by. This is a test of my new microphone, a ViewFlex microphone on my Ulanzi mount.